This conference
finger
will now
command,
be recorded.
okay, and who command, who am I command, date command we discussed, cal command we discussed, manual, help command, hyphen help option of the command, how to get the help of any command. Then touch command. Okay, we touched the touch command, right? Touch command. Next, today we supposed to go with file operations, working with the files, file handling, file operations, working with the files. First of all, let us see how to create a directory, because directory is also a file. How to create a directory, how to remove a directory, these things. So just today I'm connecting to Red Hat Linux. Both are same, whatever flavor of the Linux you use, it doesn't matter, both are same. And today, couple of comments I will discuss, and today 1 hour I will discuss about shell scripting also. I will give you introduction of this shell scripting. Okay. Next weekend, we'll go deep into the shell scripting. But today, basic program logics and techniques, how to write the shell scripting, how to use the variables, okay, if statement, while loop, conditions, these kind of basic things today we discuss. Okay. See, this is the Red Hat Linux 9. Actually, this edition is released by HP. See, here you have these things, apps, you are able to see here. This is the terminal. I'm opening terminal. Okay, this is a username. Of course, you can connect to root. Root user you can connect here. Red Hat Linux supports unlocked root. You can. So localhost. This is the host. PWD, present working directory. ls-l, you see, these are the directories. These are the default directories provided for a particular user account for his flexibility, the desktop, downloads, music, etc. Here I have a directory, mydir6, jsrdir1. These are user I created, earlier I created. I don't want to have that mydir6 directory, right? This directory I don't want to have. So I want to remove the directory. I want to remove the directory. What is the command? rmdir, rmdir, the directory mydir6. Directory is deleted. This rmdir command remove directory if the directory is empty. If the directory is empty. Okay. rmdir jsrdir1 deleted, because both the directories are empty directories. So rmdir command is able to remove a directory, delete a directory permanently. This doesn't go to recycle bin. Using rm command, rmdir command. Rm command, if you delete a file, rmdir command, if you delete a directory that has been deleted permanently, there is no chance of recovering. Got it? In case in the graphical user interface, if you right click and delete, it will go to recycle bin. But in the character user interface, if you go to rmdir, it will delete the directory. But if the directory is empty, then only rmdir delete the directory. Non-empty directory, if the directory is having some subdirectories, files, so it is not an empty directory, rmdir command cannot delete such directories. Got it? Next, create a directory. How can we create a directory? mkdir is the command. mkdir is a command to create a directory. Provide the directory name. Provide the directory name. Suppose JSR1 single directory I want to create. Yes, ls directory created, JSR1 the directory created. Then mkdir I want to create multiple directories. You can specify JSR2 space at a time multiple directories you can create. Okay, ls-l, you observe multiple directories are created or not at a time. So either you can create a single directory or you can create multiple directories. This is mkdir, creating a directory, very simple. If you want to delete a directory, rmdir. Using rmdir, either you can delete a single directory or you can delete multiple directories. No, I don't want this. So rmdir JSR1 space, JSR2 space, JSR3 space. All the directory names I specified, separated by space. Now ls-l, all the directories has been deleted or not? Yes. Okay. Now mkdir dot slash. What is dot slash? Dot slash represents current working directory. Okay. mkdir dot slash represents current working directory. Please remember this forever. Please remember this forever. Dot slash current working directory. Okay, you know this symbol, you know this symbol, tilde symbol, slash user home directory represents user home directory. Dot slash is for current working directory, present working directory. Simple slash, just slash represents what? System root directory. System root directory. This is system root directory. Tilde slash is user home directory. Dot slash is current working directory, right? Dot slash is parent directory of the current directory. Parent directory of the current directory. It is parent directory. Please remember this forever. Current working directory. Yeah. Now you see mkdir dot slash, that means current working directory. JSR1 slash JSR sub 1 slash Srini1 slash Srini123. This is the directory I want to create. Will it be created or not? Will it be created or not? What happened? No such file or directory. This means you are asking the system to create the directory that is Srini123. What this all? What is this? This is the path. At that location, please create Srini123. But that location itself is not there. Those directories are not there, right? Those directories are not there. Okay. So what can I do? So it is giving no such file or directory. Your intention might be system. You want the system to create all the directories step by step, complete thing. Got it? For that, you have to use the option -p. This time it doesn't give error. It creates entire hierarchy. It creates entire hierarchy. So in the current working directory, JSR1 is created. In that subdirectory, JSR sub1 is created. In that Srini1 is created. In that Srini123 created. Complete end to end. It creates the all step-by-step directories. Now you see ls-l, you are able to see JSR1 or not? Enter into the directory cd change directory, cd command change directory, enter into the directory, come back from the directory, shift from one directory to another directory, specified path, cd is the command, change directory. Got it? cd jsr1, you observe PWD where you are right now, inside the JSR1, right? You want to see the files, all the list of the files in the current working directory. What is the command? ls command. ls command gives you just a list of the files. You are not able to recognize whether it is the ordinary file or whether it is a directory file. You are not able to recognize. It will show just names. It will show just names. ls hyphen capital F, put a slash after the directory name. At the ending, it will put a slash. If the slash is there, that means it is a directory. If the slash is not there, that means it is a normal file. No, sir, I don't want this. ls-l is convenient, right? ls-l is convenient. Only one directory is there here. Got it? So this complete long format. Yes, directory is there. ls-a show the files including hidden files. ls-a show all the files including hidden files. ls-la long format including hidden files. Got it? Please see in any directory, in every directory, you will see these two directories, single dot, double dot. This is a pointer. This is a reference pointer. This is also a reference pointer. The single dot is pointing current working directory. Single dot is representing, it is pointing current working directory. Double dot is pointing parent directory. It's a parent directory. Got it? These both are compulsory. These both are compulsory. Then what you say, this is -a is including hidden files. LA including hidden files, all the files including hidden files in the long format, a combination of -l option, -a option. Okay, what do you mean an hidden file? What do you mean an hidden file? You know about hidden files, right? In Windows also you can have the hidden files. Select the directory, right click, hide the directory, it go as a hidden file. Hidden file in the sense, generally that doesn't appear. Generally that doesn't appear. That is hidden, not appears normally. In Python, in Linux, the file name that begins with the dot, file name that begins with the dot, those all are hidden files. Whether it is a directory name, whether it is a file name, whatever, whether it's a directory or file, whatever, the name begins with the dot, that is a hidden file. The name begins with the dot, that is the hidden file, hidden directory. Generally with the ls command, that doesn't appear. ls-a, it will show hidden files, hidden directories also. That is ls-a. What is the use of these hidden files? What is the use of this hidden? This is one of the questions from the student here. What is the matter of hiding a file? What is the matter of hiding a directory? What is the benefit? What is the use of hiding? See, Your salary, monthly salary is 5 lakhs, 5 lakhs per month, not per annum, 5 lakhs per month. Your friends, your relatives know very well you are earning super. So automatically some relatives like me will approach you and ask for please 10 lakhs immediate need, please. What do you will say? No, 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 I don't have anything, please see my bank account, zero balance. Now what you are doing? Hiding, right? You're hiding. You have two bank accounts, one is Axis Bank, another one is HDFC. Your everything operations are under HDFC. Axis Bank account will be on your phone and you will show everyone no balance, nil balance. Okay, so what is the use of hiding? Okay, right now 1 lakh rupees are in your pocket. Will you show to everyone? What is the problem if you show? Okay, you know what are the problems, right? So anyhow, hiding is avoid some problems, right? By mistake, I delete a file. By mistake, I delete a file. Got it? If the file is appearing to me, there is a chance for doing mistake, right? If the file is not appearing, it is somehow protected or not? Somehow protected or not? And as well, I don't want to show that for everyone. Who aware of that some hidden things are there, only those people can see directly. But it is not a security, right? Hiding the file is not a security. Security is different. So hidden files, making the file hidden, it is not for security, doesn't show in the general list. If I want to see, then I will see that, I will work with the files. The file name begin with the dot is the hidden file. Automatically every directory contains the single dot and double dot. That's what I have shown here, the dot slash. That is nothing but the single dot only here, current working directory, dot dot slash, the double dot which is pointing the parent directory. So cd command, mkdir command, this all, in all these commands you can use this while specifying the path. You can use these things, right? Yeah. So this directory is created, JSR1 is created, in that JSR sub1 is created, cd JSR sub1, in that ls-la Srini1 is created, cd Srini1 ls-l, see Srini123 is created, right? The complete hierarchy is created or not? What is the option? mkdir -p option. Got it? Okay. Without -p, you cannot create the entire hierarchy. If you want to create entire hierarchy, even though parent directories are not present, complete hierarchy, you want to create -p option. Okay, it is fine. It's fine. cd dot dot slash dot dot slash dot dot. Now pwd. Do you understand me? cd dot dot slash parent directory. What is the parent directory? This Srini sub1. Dot dot slash parent directory JSR1. Dot dot slash user home directory. Got it? 3 steps I went back. Current working directory, its parent, then its parent, then its parent. Got it? Dot dot slash, go to the parent directory. 1 step back. 1 step back, right? Okay. Now ls, let me clear ls-l. Sorry, here JSR1 directory is there. I want to delete rmdir JSR1. Directory is not empty. I can't delete. I know that entire hierarchy is empty. I want to delete entire hierarchy. I want to delete entire hierarchy. rmdir dot slash JSR1 slash jsr sub1 slash Srini1 slash Srini123. Deleted? Not deleted. JSR1 is still there. RMDIR hyphen P option. Such file or directory. Okay. Because dot slash no such file or directory. Now ls hyphen L is still there. Something spelling mistake, anything? Maybe. Okay. So RMDIR hyphen P option to remove entire hierarchy. Got it? Okay. So this is the hyphen P option. Later we'll see that. So if you want to delete, even though the directory is not empty, if you want to delete everything, that is not possible with the RMDIR. It is possible with the RM command. ls-l, you see RM-R. RM command is not intended for deleting the directories. RMDIR command is intended to delete the directories. RM command is intended to delete files. Okay, but RM-R stands for recursive deletion. Dot slash JSR1 deleted ls-l, no JSR1, right? Even though the directory is not empty, it's having multiple levels of hierarchy, files and directories are there. One by one, everything it will remove. If you use hyphen I option interactive, if you use hyphen I option in RMDIR, RM, okay, hyphen I option interactive, that means give the information, deleting so and so file. Are you okay? Do you want to delete so and so file? If you press yes, it will delete. If you press no, it doesn't delete. If you say Y, you say S, that is the meaning of you say S, it will delete the file. Other than Y, remaining keys, that indicates you say no. Got it? Doesn't delete. Like that interactively every time, please ask the alert, do you want to delete so and so file? Do you want to delete so and so file? If you want that interaction, then use the hyphen I option. Hyphen F option is a force delete. Sometimes if you use RMDIR command, the file is not going to be deleted. The directory is not going to be deleted. Even though you are using RM command, RM-R command, the file or directory is not going to be deleted because it is write protected. Write protected files cannot be deleted directly. In such case, you want to remove that directory or remove that file forcefully. At that time, you can use hyphen F option. This is simple RMDIR command and RM command. These are. So creating directories. MKDIR command. Please look at this once you go through this. MKDIR file name. What is the meaning of this? My files is the directory. You create it under the user home directory. You create it under user home directory. Hyphen M option. You specify use file access permissions at the time of creating the directory. What are the permissions you require? Default umask is there. Default set of permissions. Now I'm creating a directory automatically. MKDIR my dir1, a directory is created. ls-l, automatically file access permissions are given or not? Then who told these are the permissions to be given? That is a default setting. According to the default setting, automatically those permissions are given. Those permissions are given. I don't know what are the default permissions. Okay, let it be. But I want these permissions unavoidably. So you can specify those permissions what you require. A in the sense all users. I'll tell you about file access permissions. U for user. U for user. User in the sense owner of the file. U for user. User in the sense owner. Owner of the file. G for group. What is group? In your operating system, there can be multiple user groups, group 1, group 2, group 3, right? I'm not telling about group exams. Okay. Some group 1, group 2, group 3. Okay. Under a group, there are multiple users. Because if you give the permission to the group, those permissions are commonly applicable for all the users. Right? You need not to give each and every permission for the every user account. You need not to provide some permission you want to give. Just grant the permission to the particular group. All the members of the group can enjoy it, right? Got it? As simple as our social groups here. Got it? So your group member, the other user who is member of the same group, your group only, those are group members, permissions for the groups, permission for the groups. Like that, multiple groups will be there. Others, O means others. Sorry, others means what? Not yourself, not your group member, not your family member, but other family member, right? Member from the other family, those are others. Got it? A stands for all. A stands for all. Got it? Suppose you want to arrange a small get together or some party in your house. To whom you need to invite? I don't want to invite anybody. I will go to hotel. Okay. Then I myself, I will enjoy, and silently I will come back. That is yourself. Got it? No, we are not inviting anybody, only our family members. That is your group. We are also inviting some other people, outside families. From the outside families also, we are inviting somebody else. That is others. Same. User, owner himself. Group, users belongs to your group. Others, user belongs to other groups, not from your group. Got it? All means, A means all. A means all. R, read permission. What are the permissions you have? R for read permission, W for write permission, X is for execute permission. R is for read permission, W is for write permission, X is for execute permission. If somewhere the blank is there, what does it mean? Such permission is not there. Write permission is not there for the group. Got it? So if you observe the file information, first ls-l command gives you long format file information. If you see, the first section is file access permissions, file type and file access permissions. First letter is type of the file. First letter indicates type of the file, what type of file it is, right? D stands for directory. D stands for directory. If it is empty, let me cat greater than ASDF. Okay, something I am typing. Control Z, ls-l. Now what is ASDF? Nothing is there. First letter is empty. That means it is an ordinary file. It is a normal file, simple file, right? Of course, sometimes you will see other letters, something like B. Some other letters are there. Those are the special files. Those are the separate special files, right? Basically, you consider directory or file. Got it? See permissions. Next 9 letters are file access permissions. Next 9 letters are file access permissions. Read, write, execute, read, write, execute, read, write, execute. 3 sets. Read, write, execute, read, write, execute, read, write, execute. 3 sets. First 3 is for user. That means owner of the file. First 3 is for user. Read permission, write permission, execute permission is not there, right? As per I highlighted. Second set 3 is for group. Third set 3 is for others. You know what is user, what is group, what is others? Understood? Yourself, you and your family members, that is group. Others means outsiders. Outsiders. Got it? Outsiders are none other than they are the users, they are belongs to some other family, right? Okay. In your system, there are multiple groups. Some users belongs to each group, something like that. Yeah. Next, this is number of links. Number of links. How many links? Generally, by default, one file contains one link. One file contains one link by default. As soon you create a file, the file contains one link. Directory will show 2 links. Directory will show 2 links. That means why directory is showing 2, why file is only 1. Just now I told you directory pointed by 2 things: current working directory and parent directory, 2 pointers, right? So 2 links. So 2 links. But regarding the file, once the file is created in your system, file name is not actual original internal identification. Kernel level, OS level, internal identification is inode number. The unique ID, unique number for the file. Unique ID for the file, right? That is known as inode number. That is the original identification of the file. That is the original existence of the file. That is the original identification, uniquely identifying this file by the operating system for the internal process. As a user, are we able to work with the inode number? No, it is difficult for us. Names are comfortable for us. Suppose here every person is having a name. I don't want to use the name. I want to give the numbers. Sometimes for the processing purpose, numbers are flexible. For all the 50 people, I will give a unique ID, unique number. Sometimes unique ID, that ID based process is flexible. Sometimes name is flexible, right? Always ID is not flexible. Always name is not flexible. Got it? Yeah. So similarly, this is inode number. File name, something like a file1 is the name of the file. File1 is name of the file. That is a pointer pointing this file. This is nothing but a link. Every file will have a link or not? Definitely one link will be there. If you delete that link, please observe carefully. Suppose I am using rm command ASDF. What I am doing? rm command is used to remove a file. rm command is used to remove a file. That means it is removing this link. Now number of links become 0. Whenever the number of links become 0, automatically the file gets deleted permanently, right? Understand? That's what happened with the rm command. Rm command is used to remove a file. So you understood, for the file there is number of links are 1. For the directory, number of links are 2. The directory number of links may increase. It depends on the subdirectories, files, number of files and subdirectories, the hierarchy, how big it is. Based on that, number of links might be increased. But for the file, only one link. If you create a link file, then the number of links will be increased for the file. Got it? This is first section is for 10 letters. Out of 10 letters, 1 letter is for what type of file it is. Remaining 9 letters are for file access permissions. Each three groups, right? User, group, other. Okay, read, write, execute. Next, number of links. Next, username. Next, group name, next size of the file, file creation time, last accessed, last modified timestamp. Of course, here we are able to see last modified timestamp, but you have file is associated with last accessed time, last modified time, both. Then file name, the same information for the file or directory. These are file access permissions. Now mkdir -m option, while making the file, while making the directory, for that directory, what permissions are you are expecting unavoidably, compulsory, please specify those things. Got it? That is what. So with including the file access permissions, you want to create a file. mkdir-p, already I have shown you, complete hierarchy is created. This is mkdir. Understand? mkdir command, make directory. rmdir command, rmdir, delete the directory. Single directory you can delete, or multiple directories you can delete, or hierarchy you can delete. -p option. -p option. Got it? Yeah, this is rmdir. Next, rm command. rm command is used to remove a file. rm command is used to remove a file. rm file name, single file you can delete. rm file 1, file 2, file 3, multiple files you can delete. rm-i interactively, rm-f forcefully, force delete. rm-r recursive is used to delete non-empty directories, even though directory is not empty. This is version. What is the version of the rm command? This is rm command, right? Yeah. Next, let us see creating a file. Regarding directories, you understand, cd is the command for change directory. cd is the command for change directory. Just enter into the directory. You can specify the path also to enter into the directory. Next, let us see how to create a file. Already we have seen touch command. Its options we have seen. So touch command simply creates an empty files. See, touch f1, f2, f3. Files are created. Right? Again, touch f1, f2, f3. What happened? Is the files again created? No. But observe f1, f2, f3, this time, of course, within the seconds only we did. That's why if you do this is morning and again this command evening, the time will be modified. Got it? Yeah, like this you can create empty files. If you want to create empty files. No, I want to create my own files. With my own content. So what can you do? Cat command. What is the syntax of the cat command? Cat stands for cat greater than file name, file 1. Cat greater than file name, file 1. Enter. This greater than symbol, less than symbol, these are known as input output redirections. This greater than symbol, less than symbol is known as input output redirections. So if I say two symbols, greater than symbol is 1 and less than symbol is another one, these are input output redirections, I say. So ultimately immediate question will be, what is input redirection, what is output redirection, which one is input redirection, which one is output redirection? I don't want to tell you that. Please observe carefully. First of all, cat greater than some file name, file 1 I gave, then cursor is waiting. Cursor is waiting for what? Input. Input from standard input device. Input from standard input device. Okay, I provided some input, I type something. That goes to the file, right? What is the redirection? This is the direction of moving the data or not? In this case, cat represents standard input. In this case, cat represents standard input. The greater than symbol represents a data movement direction. The data is going to the file and file gets created, right? Data is going to the file, file gets created. See here, type something, whatever you want to type something. Finally, Control Z. Finally, the conclusion is Control Z. Typing is over. That's all. Please continue your activity. That's what Control Z, right? Understand? I think you know, talking in walkie-talkies. Long ago, before you got mobile phones, there was some mobile devices used by military people, police people, and specialized people. Those are known as walkie-talkies. Okay, while talking in walkie-talkie, always these police people used to say what they will speak, whatever they want to speak. Finally, they have to use a word, over. What is the meaning of over? From my side, it is completed. Then you please carry on. That is the meaning of over, right? Okay. So similarly, this is Control Z. Typing is over. Please save the file. That is Control Z. Okay. Now the ls-l file is created with content, right? Some data is there in the file. This is a redirection. In this case, cat represents standard input. Cat represents standard input. How to read content of a file? How to read content of a file? Cat less than file1 to read content of the file. Whatever content is there, whatever data is there in the file, you can read. Now you observe data is traveling from the file to cat. What is cat now? Standard output. That represents standard output. Yes, sir. Greater than is taking input from us. It is input device, input redirection. Less than is giving output to us. That is output redirection. If you are thinking in user point of view. Okay. If you are thinking in file point of view, greater than gives input to the file, sending the data to the file, output to the file, right? Sending into the file. Less than is taking input from the file. Input from the file, right? So in which direction the from and to, these things you will think about accordingly, you understand. Okay. Now forget about what is input redirection, what is output redirection, naming it. Now in which direction data is moving when I use greater than symbol, when I use less than symbol, that works like an arrow showing the data movement direction. Those are the input output redirections. Got it? Understand? Suppose you give cat simply file name. I'm not giving less than. By default, it takes less than. Reading data from the file. By default, reading data from the file. If you want to create a file, greater than is compulsory. Greater than is compulsory. Now file 1 is already available with some content. File 1 is already available with some content. Already existing file, again I am giving cat greater than file 1. What happens? So I am typing new content. I am typing new content. Then what happens in this case? This will overwrite. This will overwrite. Previous content is gone, previous data is gone, the new data is returned to the file. Now you see cat file 1. Previous data is there? Not there. The file is overwritten. Again the file is newly created, overwritten. Got it? This is cat command. No, sir, I don't want to overwrite the existing content. I want to keep the existing content as it is. I want to add the new content to the existing content. Got it? So cat greater than, two greater than symbols. File1, enter. Then type your new content. Type your new content. Control Z, ls-l. File1 is there. Cat file1. Sorry. Previous content is as it is, but new content is added to the previous content. This is concatenation. Got it? Single greater than, less than, and double greater than. This is how you can work with the cat command. You can work with the cat command to create a file. Okay, cat greater than, less than, without less than also same like less than. So cat file1, file2, what happens? Reading data from the both the files. First content from the file1, then content from the file2. File1 space, file2 space, file3 space, file4. First file, second file, third file, fourth file, one after one. So all together will appear in the output. All together will appear in the output. Got it? Then what is the meaning of this? You tell me. What is the meaning of this? What happens if I do like this? Read data from the file2. File2 is already there. Reading from the file2. Whatever content is there in the file2 came from file2, that we are redirecting to file 22. Got it? So that means copying the file or not. File 22 is created, that has been taken content from the file 2. Got it? Okay, please. Yes. Yes. Copy. Yes. See, this is a cat less than file 2. Reading content from the file 2. Here cat is standard output. Now this is not output. Immediately we are redirecting to file 22. So standard inputs. So here cat works like a buffer in this case. So reading the content from the file and redirecting it to the another file. Got it? If I give double greater than here, file 22 is already there. Keep the existing content and a new content from the file 2 will be concatenated, appended to the 22 like this. So this is cat command. All of you clear about this cat command? But cat command is useful to create a file and have some content in the file. For the editing the file, it is not comfortable, right? It's okay, good. For reading file, it's okay. Highly comfortable. Reading file, it's okay. Highly comfortable. Something we can write into the file, something we can do with the file. Very little thing we can do with the file. But editing is not flexible with this cat command. If you want to edit your file, your content flexibly, definitely you have to use an editor. Definitely you have to use an editor. In character user interface mode within the Unix and Linux, one of the flexible page editor is VI editor. VI stands for visual editor. Of course, in Linux we use Vim. VIM, not the washing liquid. Okay. Vim, visual modified. Latest, of course, VI only little bit updated according to the Linux. So VIM is given. That's all. Modified. That's all. So now cat command, all of you clear. mkdir, all of you clear. rmdir, all of you clear. Rm command also you are clear, right? See various options under rm. Have you seen rm command options? Yes, already we have seen -i, -f, -r, these things. Okay. rmdir, RMDIR, multiple directories, RMDIR -p, mkdir also you are clear. Next ls command, list all the files. We know very simple ls command to display all the files. We know simple ls-l long format, that also we understood. ls-a including hidden files. ls-f put a slash so file name, its inode number. File name, its inode number. Got it? No, sir. This is a short form. I want a long form. ls-li. ls-l long format. I include the inode number. See, first you are getting inode number or not? This is inode number of the file. This is inode number of the file. This is -i option. L you know, LA you know. H, what is H? LH. With a readable file size. See, this is the size of the file. That is in the form of bytes. That is the form of bytes. Let you assume that the file is very big file. Some 10-20 paragraphs are there. It gives in the form of bytes. Is it comfortable for us to read what is the size of the file? No. We want to read the file size in KBs, MBs, GBs, like that, right? File size or directory size. Okay. So this many KBs, these many MBs, these many GBs, like that. In readable file format, you want the content H. Okay. Yes, small s, sorting based on the file size. Sorting based on the file size. Of course, ls long format, sorting based on the file size. That is -s, -r, reverse order, capital R, capital R. Please observe carefully. ls capital R. You see? The directory, inside the directory, what files are there? Sorry. So I am using mkdir -p dot slash jsr1 slash jsr11 slash jsr111, like this I created. ls-l, just I am able to see the jsr1 directory, right? ls capital R, you see, JSR1 directory, in that you have JSR11. JSR1 in the JSR11 inside JSR111. Got it? This is inside the 111, nothing is there. Complete information about hierarchy of the directories and files, everything. Got it? That is capital R. If you give L capital R, long format, and the internal information of the directory, that is capital R. So yes, capital S. T, sort by date and time. Sort by date and time. Sort capital -X, sort by extension. These are the various options. Of course, you can use what all are the options of the ls command. Should I remember these all things? If you are regularly working with the options, you will be able to remember. If you does not touch that for 1 week or 10 days, automatically you will forget. So Linux is there to remind you. What is the command? Man command, help command. You can use and you can get these all. So various options are there. ls command. ls/, what does it mean? By default, the ls command lists all the files in the current working directory by default. Okay. No, I don't want to display list of the files in the current working directory, so and so directory, right? My present working directory is, see, pwd. This is my present working directory. ls slash. What it gives you? In the system root directory, what are the directories are there? In the system root directory, what are the list of the files? ls slash etc. Okay. In the etc directory, in the system root etc directory, what all files are there? Okay. See, several files, not fit in one screen, not fit in one screen. Of course, this is graphical user interface. That's why I'm able to scroll up and scroll down. But no, sir, it is init 3 run level. Only character user interface, no graphical user interface. Mouse doesn't work. Scroll up, scroll down doesn't work. What to do? What to do? ls slash etc pipe symbol. Let us see pg filter works or not. Pg filter is not there. In Unix, pg will be there. Page wise. Pg means page wise. Now not pg, more. First page. That is asking more. Space. Next page it is going. Understand? Enter like this. See, more. I'm pressing enter. When I press enter, how it is moving? Line by line, it is scrolling up, right? If I press space, page by page. See, fs tab and fusc config file. If I press space, where is that? It's gone out, right? Here is. Understand? So page by page. If you want to stop at the middle, Q to stop at the middle. Like this, you can use more filter. These things you can use. PG filter, more filter. These things you can use. That is page wise. Got it? Yeah. So like this, you can specify the path ls dot dot. What does it mean? List of the files in the parent directory. ls tilde. Irrespective of your current working directory, list of the files available under user home directory. Got it? ls-l, ls-a, la, t, s, star. Star means all files, all subdirectories. Capital R, star.txt, only the files having .txt extension. Okay. So command, ls command you are processing, right? Output of the ls command is redirected to a file. Don't show the result of the ls on the screen. Redirect that to a file. So result of the ls command is saved in a file. Result of the ls command is saved in a file. This is output redirection and a file name. You understand? Yes. So LH, long format. H stands for human readable. LT, long format, time-based order. LTR, long format, time-based reverse order. Long format, time-based reverse order. LRS, long format, size-based reverse order. These options combinations we will be using regularly. This is ls command. List all the files. So ls command you are comfortable. Cat command, mkdir, rmdir. Okay. Tac. What is this tac? Opposite to the cat. Reverse order. Already we have a file here. pwd. ls-l. What is the file? File 1. Cat file 1. So this is the content. TAC, opposite, reverse of the cat. File 1. You see, reverse order. Last line first line last, that is the tag. Okay, cat tag. Good. Like this we have options. Yeah. Next, cp, copy, cd, change directory. Cd command is change directory. Already you know change directory. What is change directory? Change directory, you see cd dot slash current working directory only. Cd dot slash address the parent directory. Okay. Cd, this one, go to the user home directory. Cd simple slash go to the system root directory. Now you are in system root directory or not? Got it? Otherwise, cd dot slash, of course, root slash etc slash enter. Now what is my present working directory? I entered into etc. Entered into etc. You can specify paths. You can specify path. What is a path? What is path? Address of a specific location. That is what path. Address of a specific location. That is what path. Right now, what is our address at present? Where we are located? What is the current address? Swati Ankur, Amirpet, Hyderabad, Telangana, South region of India, India, Asian continent, world. World is nothing but earth. World is nothing but earth, right? This is our address. Your address begin from earth. Your address is begin from earth. Okay. Suppose if your friend asks you where to come to your house, how to come to your house, where is your house? No, yaar, go to Amirpet metro station, catch the metro and get down in the Miapur metro station. There you take auto, enter into the Alvin bus stop. At the Alvin bus stop, take left, take right, take straight, left, right, left, right. My house is the third building. What is this addressing? What is this kind of addressing? Where are you from? I am from Vijayawada. Okay. Where you are in Vijayawada? Just near the bus stand, RTC bus stand, just behind the second street, third house. So go to bus stand here, central bus stand here, and go to the Vijayawada and get down in the Vijayawada bus stand. Take right and take right. You will come back of the bus stand. Then second street, third house is my house. What is the meaning of this addressing? Addressing from your current location. Got it? There are two ways of telling address. One is always starting from the beginning point. In the computer also, path is nothing but address of the file. Path is nothing but address of the file or address of the directory, address of a location, file location. Got it? Always the path begins with the root directory. Always path begins with the root directory slash home slash Srini slash JSR1 slash JSR2. Always the address is beginning. Addressing is beginning from the root directory. Such kind of path is known as absolute paths. That is known as absolute path. If I say Earth, Asia continent, India, South region, Telangana state, Hyderabad, Amirpet, Aditya Enclave, so and so flat number. Irrespective of where you are, whether you are in the America or whether you are in Australia or whether you are in Bangalore or Chennai, irrespective of this address is fixed or not? This address is fixed or not? This is absolute path, absolute address. In the computer also, to address a file, always you are beginning the path from the system root directory, that is absolute path. So please observe here, the path begins from slash. The path begins from slash. What is the slash? System root directory, that is absolute path. The path begins from tilde slash. What does it mean? User home directory. Tilde is nothing but slash home slash username slash. That is what tilde, which represents user home directory. But still, this is also we have to consider as absolute path. This also we have to consider as absolute path. If the path is beginning from system root directory or user home directory, that is known as absolute path. The path is beginning from the current working directory. The path is beginning from current working directory. What is current working directory? Dot slash. Dot slash. Go one step back. Dot slash. Go one more step back. Dot slash. Enter into so and so directory name. Enter into its subdirectory, again directory name. Dot slash directory 1 slash subdirectory. This is what? Relative path. This is what known as relative path. Very simple. Please understand this. The path begin from your current working directory. Beginning from your current working directory, you are addressing another file. You are writing the path of the another file. That is relative path. That is relative path. Any file address beginning from the system root directory or user home directory, that is absolute path. Now the difference, relative path or absolute path, both difference you understand? Any path you can use in the system. Whatever you flexible according to the situation, whatever path system is you flexible, you can use it. Either you use relative path or you use absolute path, it is a fine. But what situation we go for relative path? Not rarely, very frequently we will use it. For example, at present I am working in computer 1. In computer 1, so and so directory, I did my project. This is my project directory. This is my project directory. There are 2000 files under that project directories, couple of subdirectories. Under the subdirectories, 2000 files are there in this directory. Okay. In computer 1, where it is? In computer 1, where it is? Somewhere. Maybe user home directory, maybe some other directory, right? Maybe some other directory. User home directory is Srini. In that project 1, project 2, project 3, project 4. Inside the project 1, these all are there. Okay. If I want to shift this directory to the some other computer, okay, username is different. Username is different. There is no guarantee this directory located in the same place or not. There is no guarantee. Of course, in another computer, I have office work is a directory, personal work is a directory. Okay, like that I have some directories. In the office work, Wipro is a directory, TCS is a directory, because dual jobs, moonlighting. Okay, this project belongs to Infosys. So Infosys is another directory, right? So in that directory you located. So entire path is going to be differ or not? If you are dependent on the absolute path mechanism, whenever the files moved in programs or project moved into another computer or another directory, another location, the project is not going to work. Again, you have to change all the paths of all the programs. Suppose you are working with, you are specifying the relative paths. You are moving entire project directory here. Inside the project directory, what subdirectories are there, what files are there, what programs you have written. You are using a relative path that never changes in any computer, in any location. That works well or not? That's the reason sometimes Relative path is flexible. It is very good. Got it? But sometimes this file should be at that location only. Got it? My configuration file must be located under etc. That is fixed location. You can't change it. Go for absolute paths. Go for absolute. But generally, while working, either it is relative path or it is absolute path, anything is okay, not a problem. All of you clear about path? I think you know how to write the path and everything. In C drive, so and so. In Windows, we know how to do the path, and the same in Linux also paths. Then a CP command, copy. Want to take a break? Okay. Take a break, then go for a CP command, LN command, MV command, these things, file operation commands, working with the files. Yeah. Take a small break, 10 minutes break. I'll give you the material. Whatever I'm showing the text files, those all I will share. Okay.
We are missing some running notes also.
Don't worry about running notes and these all things. I will give you complete material. I will share.
Mr. Adi?
Yes. Who's this?
I am Venki.
Eh? What's your
Mr.
problem?
Adi,
What is your problem?
nothing about.
Okay, okay. What are you going on?
Hello?
Where are you now? Tell me. Hey, अरे लाव तो हाँ? Where are
Yes,
you?
yes, yes. Where are you?
అరే సార్ ఉన్నారు రాలేను నువ్వు పిచ్చిరేలా
Okay. So while working with the cp command, cd change directory, you can switch to any directory or not. You can specify the path. You can specify the path of directory. You can specify path of the directory, any directory, any path. Directly it can go to, it can switch to that directory, that is cd. Then one more command is cp, copying the file from one location to another location. File or files from one location to another location. So cp source okay, and a destination, target and a destination. You can specify the path here, path of single file or star.txt, star.py, something like that. Okay, anything. And as well, you specify the target location path. You're supposed to specify the path. Path can be either absolute path or relative path. Any path is okay. Address is important. Okay, either relative path or absolute path. Anything is okay. For example, suppose in my system, what is my present working directory? etc. I want to change to my user home directory. How can I change? cd tilde symbol is user home directory. Now pwd, your user home directory, right? Understand? Now cp copy slash user root directory, system root directory, etc slash star is all the files, I want to copy into some my location, right? My location dot slash current working directory jsr1 slash jsr11 slash. No such file or directory, cannot etc వాళ్ళు కదా. Okay, all are copied or not? Okay, so permission denied. Now let us see ls-l. These are the files: cd jsr1, cd jsr11. Now ls, all the all files having the permission, those files are copied. What are the files not having the permission? Those are not copied, right? So what is the how to use cp command? This is how you can use cp command. cp, the source file path and files, and the target paths. This is absolute path I specified, this is relative path I specified, right? This absolute path, this is relative path. Got it? Now what is my present working directory? This is my present working directory, right? This is my present working directory. Now I want to see the files of the etc. How can I do? ls -l, of course, ls simply dot slash dot dot slash dot dot slash dot dot slash dot dot slash. Now it is the root directory, right? present working directory dot slash JSR1 dot slash Srini dot slash home dot slash. In that, now you want to enter into etc, right? etc slash. Okay, now list all the files. List all the files, right? So here, how do I specify the path? Same thing. Can I specify CP? Copy the files under etc star all the files. Okay, where do you want to copy? Where do you want to copy? Dot slash present working directory dot slash parent directory, that is JSR1. Okay, so ABCD slash ABCD is not a directory. ABCD is not available because ABCD directory is not there, not present, right? Okay, just I'm giving this much. Now you see copied or not? Copied or not? So like this, you supposed to specify the path of the directory or path of the file, including the file name or some wildcards. Star symbol represents all files, all files. Okay. Like this, you can use CP command, copying the files. CP command is for copying the files, source to destination. Understand? Source to destination. This is CP command. You can see manual CP. And one more command is MV command. MV command. Okay, let us see CP command only. Now, what is my present working directory? This is my present working directory. LS, these are the files. These are the files, right? Here, something like at.dine, some file, you take some file, local.conf. CP local.conf to JSR.hyd. Can I? Can I? HYD is the extension. JSR is the file name. What happens now? What happens now? What do you think? Huh? In the current working directory, file is there, local.conf. File is there? Yes, it is there. That is copied. That is copied. New file is created, JSR.hyd, right? Please remember, while copying a file, single file, while copying a file, single file, source file name definitely you will specify, right? Target file name, if you specified name for the destination file, the file is copied. For the new copy, new name is given. Do you understand me? For the new copy, new name is given. With that new name, the new copy is saved. That is copy. Suppose for the destination, you did not specify the file name, just you specified a destination directory location, but file name is not given, but still the file is copied, whatever is the source file name with the same name in another location. Got it? But now source is the same location, target is the same location. One file I am copying, definitely I have to give a new name or not. Now you see JSR1.JSR.hyd, where is this? Created or not? Created or not? Copied or not? Got it. So this is one important. If the target destination file name is exclusively specified, the file is copied. For the copy, new name is given. Suppose you are not giving the destination file name, just you are specifying location of the destination. That's all. The same name, whatever is the source name, the same name is taken for the destination. Clear? Understand? Online people, don't play with the camera. Okay. Understand? Yeah. This is CP command. MV command. MV is for move. MV is for move. Syntactically, CP command and MV command syntax is absolutely same. CP command you will use CP, copying the files. MV command you will use move. Something like in Windows point of view, if you say copy paste is the CP command, cut paste is the MV command. That's all. You understand? Copy paste, create another copy in the destination location. MV command move the file from this location to another location, that is none other than cut paste or not, as per Windows click concept concern. Okay. Because while working with Windows, I don't know anything. I know only left click, right click, double click, drag drop. Okay. So the GUI ETL tools like Informatica, data stage, you see what you need to do? Nothing. Left click, right click, drag drop only. Most of the activities done with that. Several tools are like that or not? That is GUI. But right now we are working with the command line interface, character user interface. Everything we have to. No clicks works. Okay, so command is CP, copying the file, create another copy of the file. Command is MV, moving the file from one location to another location. In the source location, it is deleted. It present in the target location. It is moved to the target location. In case for the target you specified a different file name, move and rename both happens. Move and rename both happens. Suppose source location is the same, target location is the same. If you give a different file name, the target, that is work as a rename. You see, MV. What is the file? jsr.hyd is the file. jsr.hyd is the file. And I am giving AAASSS. This is the destination file name. Same location, current working directory only. Existing file name is jsr.hyd. What I am giving a different name? What happened? It is renamed. Either file name or directory name. It is renamed. See, one directory is there, JSR111. MV JSR 111 to JSR HYD 11. Now ls JSR 111 directory name is changed or not? For the rename also MV command. For the rename also MV command. Now present working directory. This is my present working directory. MV JSR HYD 11 is the directory name. If you want clarity, / current working directory, JSR HYD 11 is the directory. This directory I want to move. I want to move. Where I want to move? / home directory. Did I specify destination name? No, destination name is not specified. So Srini ASDF is the destination name I specified. It will move the directory, but name is changed. Now you see, enter. Now ls, is the file JSR HYD11 directory is available in this location? No. Now cd user home directory. Now ls, you see that if a directory is there, where is the directory? Srini ASDF is available. Got it? The directory is moved. The directory is moved. As well, name is also changed. Name is also changed. But please remember, while working properly, the path of the source or source directory or source file, path of the directory, destination directory or destination file is very important. Either you follow absolute path mechanism, not a problem. Either you follow relative path mechanism, not a problem. But appropriately addressing the directory or file is very important. The correct path is important. Style can be anything. Style can be anything. This is MV. MV command is used to move, and also MV command is used to rename. Okay. So if the requirement is given, please change the name of the file. What is the command for renaming a file? MV command only. MV command only. How can you move the files from one location to another location? MV command only. MV command only, right? Yeah, this is MV command. So CP command syntax and MV command syntax is absolutely same. Of course, LN command syntax is also the same. CP command, if you know, MV command and LN command also similar. LN command, creating a link file. Creating a link file. Now we are talking about link files. LN command is used to make a link. LN command is used to make a link. In Linux, there are two different varieties of links are possible. One is hard link, second one is soft link. One is hard link, second one is soft link. Okay, one is a telephone audio call. You can say I am in Bangalore. Second one is video call. If you are in Bangalore, please show me the nearest signboard of a shop. Okay, hard link. One is soft link, second one is hard link. Got it? So what is a hard link? What is a soft link? You must be able to understand. Already I told you the concept. Whenever a file is created, operating system identification purpose, every file has an unique identification number. That is what inode number. Right? What is the file name? What is the file name? Is a link. Link in the sense pointer, reference link. Got it? So here file 1 is the reference link. This is the name of the file. This is a reference link to the same inode number. That's the reason already we have observed. The file 1 is a file. How many links? One link. Got it. I want to create a link file. What is the command? ln file 1. Of course, this is in present working directory. That's why simply I gave file 1. If it is in some other directory, some other locations, you have to specify the path. You have to specify the path. Got it? Yeah. Space hello 1. What is this hello 1? Hello 1 is also name of the file. That is the link. Otherwise, LF1, some name you can give, any name you can give, not a problem. Any name you can give. Got it? My file underscore 1 is the name I am giving. File 1 is available. File 1 is available. And I am creating link file. What is this my file 1? My file 1 is the link to the same file 1, right? I am creating a link file. Link file is created. ls command. So file 1 is there. My file 1 is also there. File 1 is there. My file 1. Both are there. ls-l. You observe. File 1 is there. My file 1 is there. How many links? 2 links. How many links for the my file 1? 2 links. That means you see, this is my file1, my file underscore 1. This is another link to the same file. If you look in this direction, file1 direction, how many links? 2 links. If you look in this direction, how many links? 2 links. Okay, suppose you are 2 siblings. If I ask you how many siblings you have, you will say answer 2. If I ask your sister how many siblings you have, she also answer 2, right? It does not mean 4. 2 is always 2 only, right? Understand? Yeah. So if you look at the information about the file1, it is showing I have two links. If you look at the my file1, I have 2 links, right? This is a hard link. This is hard link. Okay, now what I am doing? ln my file underscore 1 space AAADDDSSS. That is the name. Another link I am creating. Now ls-l. Another file is there. It is not created the file. It is just created a link. AAASSDDD, right? This is another link. How many links now? 3 links. How many links now? 3 links. This is also having 3. This is also having 3. If you look like this, you may not be able to understand AAADDDSS file1 and my file1. These all are same. You may not be able to understand, right? If you want to understand, what you're supposed to do? ls-li, including inode number. You see, what is the inode number of this file? What is the inode number of this file? What is the inode number of this file? Is it the same or not? What is the size of this? What is the size of this? What is the size of this? Same or not? Content also same or not? Because originally there are not 3 files. Originally the same files. These are 3 different pointers to the same file. Got it? Something like your credit card account and 2 add-on cards.
So if you're doing any changes in that file, so it will be automatically saving just 2 files.
Of course, yeah. Do you have credit card? Add-on card is there? Are you married? Okay, you update your status to married to the bank. Immediately they will offer you the add-on card. Add-on card on your wife name. Okay. You have parents also staying with you. Two more add-on cards with your father name 1, mother name 1, wife name 1 add-on card, and yourself you have a card. So now how many cards? 4 cards. How many accounts? Only 1 account. If your wife is swiping, if your father is swiping, your mother is swiping, you are swiping, is it affected to your account or not? No, my father is swiped. I'm not responsible. Will it accepted? No, the same thing. Name is nothing but a reference link. Okay, using any name, you do the operation that affects the source file, that is the actual file only. So other names are just referencing the same, right? Understand? One person is having 4 names. Chintu, Bunty, Chinnu. Okay. If something I did for the Chintu, Bunty affected or not? Because they are just names. Actual person is the single person only. Something like that here. This is hard link. This is hard link. Are you clear what is hard link? Now rm command, rm file1. What happens? rm file1. What happens? Only this link is removed. File is available and my file1 and ASSDD that is available. Only that reference link is deleted. File is available, right? That is rm command. Number of links are decreased to 2. Number of links are decreased to 2 because he cancelled 1 add-on card. His wife add-on card he cancelled. Okay, what happens if you cancel your wife add-on card? Automatically war starts. The situation arises, you supposed to cancel the parents add-on card also. Okay, then you cancel it. Yes, one more rm command I deleted. but still your account is there. Access point one card is there. Similarly, file is available and name is available to access the file. Suppose this also I remove. What happens? This link is also removed. Now number of links become 0. Whenever the number of links become 0, operating system don't allow to have the file in the system, right? Are you clear? That is a kernel take care of this. Are you clear? RM command is not deleting the file. RM command is deleting just a reference link. The reference link. Whenever you delete the reference link for the inode number of links become 0. Operating system does not allow you to stay that file. Got it? It will remove the file. Got it? Yeah. That's why RM command is useful like a remove. This is a soft link. Sorry, hard link. Then what is a soft link? You know, shortcuts. Windows operating system on the desktop, you will create shortcut. What is the shortcut? You see, for example, this is the file 1. This is the reference link. No doubt at all. This is the OS mechanism. This is the reference link. This is the file. This is the reference link. Number of links are 1. And you have another file. This is another file. This is another file, but this is not a data container file. This is a pointer file. But this is not the reference link. This is the another file. It has its own inode number, a different inode number, right? Different inode number. Its name is something like ST112, something like this. But what is this? This is not a data container file. This is addressing this file. This file path is resided in this. When you open this file, ultimately this file gets opened. When you operate this file only get opened. As simple as shortcut concept in Windows. This is the shortcut file to access this file. Got it? So now you see how to create, you understand already using ln command, how to create hard links already you understood, right? Now, RM, A, D, 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 S, S, S. Now ls-l, that is deleted. Now number of links reduced to 2 or not. Okay. Even you say ls-li, inode number of these two files are same or not. Okay, these are the hard link. This is hard link. ln-s, ln-s. What is file name? File 1. Then what is the another file name? sc file 1, right? Now ls-l, sc file 1 is there. What is sc file 1? Shortcut to the file 1. Okay, what is the size of this sc file 1? Different or not? File 1 size, my file 1 size is same because these are the odd links. But what is sc file 1? Soft link. Soft link is nothing but shortcut. Its size is different. Is the inode number same or different? sc file 1 inode number is entirely different or not? But this is referencing. Referencing in the sense, this is a shortcut to the file 1. If you operate sc file 1 is get operated. File 1 is get operated. Got it? Understand? That is the difference between soft link and hard link. If you want to create a soft link or a hard link, you can create the ln command. You can use ln command. Ln command -s creates the soft link. For example, you are the owner of the file. In your user account, in your user home directory, in your subdirectory, you have a file. I want to access that. Got it? but you don't want to provide the permission to me like a original file. Understand? I am the group member or other read write permissions are there to me. So root, the home, the user X, so and so directory, so and so file, I am able to address the file and access it or not, because I am another user. I'm another user. But your user account, your files, I have permission. We have permission, so we can access it. Do you understand me? Suppose if I create a hard link in my user account, read write permissions are there. I created a hard link in my home directory. Otherwise, I create a shortcut. If I delete the shortcut, nothing happens to the original file, right? If I delete the shortcut only deleted. If I delete the hard link, nothing happens to the original file. Original file will be there. Understand? So this is just a shortcut. File is different. That file is a shortcut to the another file or another directory. Hard links are possible for the files. Hard links are possible for the files. Soft links are possible for the files. Soft links are possible for the directories also. Soft links are possible for the directories also. So ln mydir1 directory, that is not a file, directory, ln mydir1. What happened? Hard link is only possible for the files. Hard link is not possible for the directories. Soft link is possible for the files or directories. Now you see ln-s. Soft link is possible. Got it? Understand? All of it clear? Yes. Yeah. This is about ln command. This is about link files. Ln command, link files. So cd command, cp command, ln command, mv command, rm command. These all commands you are comfortable. Next, regarding file access permissions, if you want, please write down this. chmod is the command to change file access permissions. Chmod is the command to change file access permissions. Chmod. Now you see, these are the files. I have file 1. I have file 1 already. Already some sort of file access permissions are there as per the default umask. Okay. I am specifying chmod. How do you want to give the permissions? U stands for user. Plus stands for give the permission. Minus stands for remove the permission. Okay. U plus X, file 1. What does it mean? For the file 1, to the user, owner of the file, give the execute permission. Give the execute permission. Now ls-l for the file 1, for the user, execute permission is there or not? But for others, no. A for all, U for user, G for group, O for others. Plus indicates add the permission. Minus indicates remove the permission. Cancel the permission. Got it? Yep. See? Equal to indicates set the permission. That means you see chmod u is equal to rx file 1. What happened? Now ls-l. Is there any effect on the w? Yes. Write permission is gone, right? Only read permission and execute permission I set for the file 1 to the user. Got it? Like this, I can set the permissions using equal to symbol. Using equal to symbol, chmod. Okay. Suppose I give UG. UG, user group, UGO, user group other. Suppose UG executed. Observe, for the group also it is affected or not? UGO, user group others. That is nothing but simply you can give A for all. Got it? So this is how you can use the chmod command to add the permission, to remove the permission, to set the permission. U for user, G for group, O for others, A for all. It's UGO. A is nothing but UGO, right? A is nothing but UGO. Similarly, you have R for read permission, R for read permission, W for write permission, X for execute permission. I think several times you will see chmod 775 or 774 file 1. This kind of permission settings you might have seen several times. Got it? That is actually hexadecimal code, this octal code. This is the meaning. Whenever you give chmod 777, first 7 is for user, second 7 is for group, third 7 is for others, then file name, either file name or complete path of the file, directory name or path of the directory, right? That you can specify. So 3 letters indicates first is for user, owner of the file, second one is for group, third one is for others, right? So what is the meaning of 0 to 7? This is the meaning. Got it? So what symbolic representation is like this. Okay, octal representation is this one. Wherever there is 1, permission is there. Wherever there is 0, permission is not there. This is the meaning. Understand? So if you remember this, if you refer this, you can easily work with the file access permissions. All of it clear? Suppose for the others I did not give write permission, other user can access my file, can read my file, but cannot write or cannot do anything, cannot execute anything, right? Within the server, other group member also can access my file. So within your server, among various user account, how you want your file to be accessible, for that you are setting the file access permissions. If the execute permission is not there, even though that is a shell program, you cannot execute that. The system does not allow to execute that program, right? Of course, directly not working like a command. With the help of relevant interpreter, sh command or something, you can execute, but directly the program does not become executable. Got it? These are the file access permissions. Next, we have to understand pipes and filters. Pipes and filters, very important. Okay, WC command. What is WC command? First of all, WC, word count, file 1. It gives you number of lines, number of words, number of characters in the file. WC command. -L, file 1. It gives you only number of lines. -W, it gives you only number of words. -C gives you number of characters. Suppose no option is given, it gives you number of lines, number of words, everything. Got it? Okay. I want to know how many users are currently connected with the system. Listen my question. How many users currently connected with the system? How do we know? Who command? Yes, who command. Then what can I do? Who command gives you the number of all the users connected with the system. Let us assume that there are 10 users are connected. There will be 10 lines or not. Output of the who command will be 10 lines if the 10 users are connected. If the 15 users are connected, output of the who command is 15 lines. Do you understand me? If 25 users are connected, output of the who command is 25 lines. Understand? So here I can use a pipe symbol. Pipe. I can use a pipe. What is the pipe? Generally, what is the pipe? Generally, what is the pipe? Water pipe, drainage pipe. What is the use of the pipe? Something you put one side, the same go to other side or not? Just a pipe. It is just a pipe. Okay. There is a pipe connection between your house and your neighbor's house. Whatever you put in the pipe, that goes to your neighbor's house, right? Is it? Same pipe concept. So here, left side, you have some command. Left side, you have some command. Let me say that it is a command 1. Left side, you have command 1. Then pipe symbol, you will be using pipe symbol. Got it? This is the pipe symbol. Okay, this is the pipe symbol. Right hand side of the pipe, you have another command, command 2. You have another command, that is command 2. So 2 commands I am combining. 2 commands I am combining. Of course, one more pipe, command 3. One more pipe, command 4. One more pipe, command 5. You can understand. So first command 1 is get executed. First command 1 is get executed. Output of the command 1 is given to the command 2 as an input. What is this? Output of the command 1. Output of the command 1. This output goes to the next command through the pipe. Through the pipe, right? So the output of the previous command is going to be input for the next command, right? For the command 2, what is the input? This is the input. Output of the command 1 is going to command 2 as an input of that. Understand? Understand or not? Okay. Wheat. Farmer cultivate the wheat. That is the output of the farmer. Right? That goes to mill. Polishing mill. Right? So what is the input to the mill? Rice. Farmer cultivates it. That will be goes to the rice mill. Got it? So output from the farmer is the input for the miller. Got it? Output from the miller is the input to the householder. Rice you will put in the cooker. Got it? Your output is the input to the cooker. Cooker gives the final output, that is food to eat. Got it? So how many processes? Command is nothing but a process or not? Command is nothing but one task, one operation or not, one process or not. Command 1 is process 1. That has been executed, that gives you output, that is given to the next command as an input, that has been executed, that gives output. Again pipe symbol is there, that output is given to the another command as an input. Got it? This mechanism is made by the pipe symbol. multiple interdependent commands you can put together and execute in the single line. Are you clear or not? Multiple interdependent commands you can put together and execute them together in the single line. Got it? That is the use of the pipe symbol. Very simple. If you does not understand the nature of the pipe symbol, then a lot of confusion. Pipe is nothing but a pipe, like your water pipeline. Understand? Now you see, tell me, what can I do? WHO space pipe symbol, output of the who command I am sending to the WC-L. That's all. How many users connected right now? Only one user is connected. How many files are there? Whether it is directory or file doesn't matter. I'm not asking about the types. I'm asking count. How many files are there in the current working directory? What is the command? ls-l. Pipe symbol WC-L. 21 files are there. How do we get 21? ls-l is the command, this output of the ls-l. This is given as a input to the WC-L. It is counting the lines. The line count is given to you. Understand? Yeah. This is the pipe. This is the pipe. All of you comfortable about pipe? What is the pipe? Is the pipe. Okay, let us see head command and tail command also. What is head command? Pick the specified number of lines from the top of the file. You see cat states.txt is the file. Let us assume that this file is there. Let's assume that this file is there. Cat greater than states.txt. That's not copy paste is not working. Copy paste. Control Z. Yes. So cat states.txt. Okay. Yes, this is the file. This is the file. Oh God, so many. This is also gone to okay, this is this much from here. Okay, this is the content of the file. Head-5 states.txt. So from the top I am able to get 5 lines. If I give 15 lines from the top. Got it? 15 lines from the top. This is head. Sir, you are using minus. Of course, somebody says it is minus. I do say it is hyphen. Hyphen is an option. Okay. Okay. Can I experiment with the plus symbol? What happened? What happened? Cannot open, head cannot open plus 15 for reading. No such file or directory. So head command does not support plus symbol. Only hyphen symbol it supports. Do you understand me? So it is not supporting plus symbol, but still it is giving output. Still it is giving output. What is the output? It is giving a default hyphen 15. Got it? Hyphen 10. If you does not specify any of the count, suppose I did not specify how many lines are required from the top, default is 10. Got it? So you specified plus 15. I'm the head command, I can't support plus 15. So I'm giving a warning message and I'm functioning as per my default nature. 10 lines I'm showing. Do you understand? So don't consider plus symbol works. Plus symbol gives you 10 lines. That is 15 minus 5. Don't go for this unnecessary thinking. Only hyphen option works with the head command. Plus symbol does not work. If you does not specify -2, -5, -15, if you does not specify number of lines you required, by default it gives 10 lines from the head. Head means from the top. From the top. Tail means from the bottom. Okay, let us give tail -5 states.txt. No such file or directory. STAT. From the bottom, it is giving five lines or not? See, West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh, where is that? See, from the bottom, 5. Got it? From the bottom, 5. Last 5 lines. 15. Last 15 lines. Last 15 lines. For the tail, if I use plus symbol, what happens? What happens? Cannot open plus 15 for reading. No such file or directory. The last 10 lines it has given. By default nature. Okay. So in interviews, they will ask you, you are giving -15. Nice. But what if I give plus? What happens? Then you start thinking, is the plus option available for the head? Is the plus option available for the tail? Our faculty did not tell us. What happens if I give plus? So you will go for your own guessing and you will answer something. So interviewer will understand that you don't know. Okay, you are throwing stones on blindly. Yeah, this is head and tail. Clear? All of you? Suppose I want 15th line only from the file. I want a 15th line only. What to do? Head -15 file name states.txt. That gives you 15 lines or not? Pipe symbol tail -1. That gives you only 15th line or not? Only 15th line or not? From the top 15 lines I have taken, that 15 lines output of the head command I am sending to the next command, that is the tail command. From that I am picking the last one line, that is the 15th line of the file or not? Okay, so now you understand pipe symbol. You understand pipe symbol? What is pipe? Okay, so this is head and tail. Then pipes, pipe, water pipe, drainage pipe, cat apple.txt wc. How many lines are there in the file? Of course, wc apple.txt also gives you count. wc-l apple.txt also gives you that. So ls-l head-5 gives you 5 is the output. WC, how many lines, how many words, how many characters, that gives. Number of lines are 5 because from the top you are taking 5. So who, WC-L, how many users are connected? This is the pipe symbol. Then we have to understand the filters, sort filter, find filter, then grep filter, egrep, fgrep. Remaining things, so many things are there. Awk. These all things we'll discuss. Filters we will discuss. Cut filter, paste filter next weekend. Okay. Now, if you can sit 1 more hour, I will begin with shell scripting, introduction to the shell scripting. Okay, we can take 1 more break for 10 minutes. After the break, freshly we will begin shell scripting. Okay. Sorry. Okay. So yeah. So what is shell scripting? I hope already I told you yesterday. What is shell scripting? Script with shell commands combination is what shell script. Very simple. Script. What is a script? A kind of program. A kind of program. What is program? Group of instructions with an applied logic. That is a program. So shell script is nothing but a program. In this script, we use all the commands are OS commands, your shell commands. Who is responsible to execute the shell command? Shell is responsible, kernel is responsible, right? Got it. With the combination of couple of commands, if you write a program that is shell script, who is responsible to execute the shell script? Same shell and kernel. Your OS is responsible. That is shell script. So generally in any scripting, any program, the very first command we learn is a print command, right? So here ECHO is the command to print something, to print output, to print something, right? You see ECHO hello world. Is it printing hello world? Is it printing hello world or not? Yes. One more command is input command, taking runtime input. Read A. What is A? A is a variable. A is variable. Cursor is waiting. Cursor is waiting. Why cursor is waiting? Read command is used to accept the runtime input. Runtime input into the variable. What is variable name? A. Suppose I give 45. Suppose I give 45. Now, what is A? Okay, read command is taken runtime input. A is the variable. The given runtime input is assigned to the variable A. Now I want to see what is the value of the variable A. ECHO A, print A. not the variable. It is not treated the A as a variable. It is treated A is A. That's all. If you want your system to treat A as a variable, the variable name should begin with a dollar. Observe carefully. B is equal to 25. Okay. B is equal to 25. Did I give dollar symbol? No. While assigning value to the variable, dollar symbol is not required. While reading value from the variable, dollar symbol is required. ECHO within the double quotes, number 1 is equal to $A and number 2 is equal to $B. Double quotes close. Am I able to print or not? This is how to assign value to a variable, how to read value from a variable, how to print something on the output using ECHO command, how to accept runtime inputs, runtime keyboard inputs into a variable. Clear? My question is, what is a variable? What is a variable? Variable is a storage container. Variable is occupied memory. There are several things, right? Yes, all are correct. But please remember, variable is a named memory block. Variable is a reserved memory. For that, a name is given. So variable is a named memory block. Got it? Variable is a named memory block. Some memory block is occupied. There is a reserved memory. For that, a name is given. What is the purpose of name? Names are identifiers. Names are identifiers. Why our parents are given names to us? Identification purpose or not? Identification purpose or not? Yes. Similarly, program name, variable name, function name, anything. Name is for identification purpose, but variable. So reserved memory is the variable. To access it, some name is required or not? That is variable name. It is a named memory block. Where do we store a value? What is the purpose of variable? We can store some value in that, right? What is the purpose of pocket? We can keep something in the pocket, right? Similarly, some memory is occupied. What is the purpose of the memory? We store a value, right? Variable is a named memory block where we can store a value. From where we can read the value? From where we can read the value? Value of the variable can change during execution of program. Whether you work in Java, whether you work in C, C++, C#, Python, COBOL, Fortran, Pascal, whatever, Scala, R, any language. This is the common generic understanding about variable. Of course, most of the languages treatment is the same. Couple of languages treatment, internal memory management mechanism might be slightly different, but altogether commonly, what is variable? Variable is a container, some memory, reserved memory, where you can put your value, from where you can take the value can be changed during execution. Variable, vary. Got it? Variable pay. Do you know variable pay? What is your package? Sir, expecting, sir. How much package you are expecting? 25 lakhs per annum. Yes, company gives you 25 lakhs per annum, but 9 lakhs are variable pay. What do you mean variable pay? You may or may not get it. Got it? How much you will get, you don't know. How much you will get, you don't know, right? That's all depends. Okay, officially to speak, depends on the performance. It can be vary, right? It can be vary. Okay, that is variable. So value of the variable can change during execution of the programmatical statements, execution of the program. That is variable. How to assign value to the variable? B is equal to 25. Assign a value, right? Yes, hard coding, directly assigning the value. But I want to assign a value by runtime input, runtime keyboard input. Read command. Read command. This is how we assign value to the variable. How to pick the value from the variable? Using dollar symbol, $A, $B. Got it? Reading value from the variable. This is what a variable. Did I write a program now? No, I did not write any program now. Just individual commands I am executing. This is console. Got it? Now I want to write a program. What is program? Program is a file. Program is a file. Generally, for the shell script, we used to give extension sh, but which is not mandatory, which is not really necessary. Even though you are not giving the extension sh, not a problem. Okay, we have to edit the file or not? Okay, I'm writing a program. Cat greater than prog1 dot sh. Write the command. What is program? Group of instructions. What is program? Group of instructions. Got it? ls command. ls command. Command 1. ls command. Command 1. echo. I'm printing something. This one. Okay. This is command 2. echo is command 2, right? echo command 2. Date command. Command 3. Again, echo something. This line is only for your understanding purpose. Okay. Then cal command, calendar command. Okay. Log name. Whatever Unix command you want to execute, you can write here, right? Whatever Linux command you want to execute, you can write here. So ls command, command 1, date command, cal command, log name command, all I put together in a file. This is program. This is program. Control Z. Control Z. Now ls-l prog1.sh. This is my shell script. How to execute it? This is not having execute privilege. Execute permission is not there. For the owner, execute permission is not there. For the group, execute permission is not there. For the others also, execute permission is not there. How to execute? sh space. sh is the command to execute shell script. sh space. File name prog1.sh. Is it executed or not? Executed or not? First ls command. This is ls command output, right? This output of the ls command. Next date command. Next cal command. Next log name. Clear? Log name. Understand? So all the commands are executed one by one. All the commands are executed one by one. This is the default approach of executing a group of instructions, multiple commands. Line 1. There is nothing but command 1, right? First line 1, then say line 2, then line 3, line 4, line 5, line 6, top to bottom, one by one command will be executed. Multiple commands you have given in your program. This is program. Okay. Now what I do, this program is not having execute permission. I want to provide execute permission, right? Okay. chmod a plus x prog1.sh. Now ls-l execute permission is there for program1.sh. Execute permission is there. Yes. Now very simple, dot slash prog1.sh file name, text file busy. Bash. Okay. sh dot slash. Yes. So if the execute permission is there, of course, due to some reason, some error is coming. I'll show you again. If I have the execute permission, just the file name act as a command and it will execute the script automatically. sh need not to give. Need not to give this sh, right? Without giving sh, the file you specify, but dot slash is compulsory. That is current working directory. Otherwise, if the shell script is in some other location, complete path is required. Complete either absolute path or relative path is required. If the execute permission is there, without writing sh, that will be executed. If the execute permission is not there, sh is must. Got it? Of course, next when I am showing this, I will show you, because internally you have to specify comment. Okay. That I will show. This is what basically shell script. Okay. Suppose you wrote 20 lines of the code in your program. Let us assume that we have written a program. There are 20 lines of the code. Okay. What are the 20 lines? 20 commands are not. 20 commands are not, whether it is a echo command, whether it is a read command, whether it is a date command, cal command, ls command, whatever command it is, right? Some processable, executable command, right? 20 commands we are writing. How these 20 commands executed? Line 1, line 2, line 3, line 4, line top to bottom. But I don't want like that. I want some conditional control, the control on the execution flow. Got it? Control on the execution flow. Myself, I want to do my own calculations. Myself, I want to do my own calculations. So how many files are there in the current working directory? 15 files are there. If I add more 5 files, how many will be the total? 20. Some calculation I have to do or not? Okay. So like this, some operations we want to do, arithmetical operators, we want to do some conditions we want to verify, logical operators, relational operators, these all things we have to execute. And moreover, is the cat command to create a program, to edit the program, is the cat command flexible? No, it is not flexible. That's why we have to go with the VI editor. Definitely we have to work with the VI editor, VI space. Don't give any name. Don't give any name. VI editor will be open without name, anonymously. Enter. Either you give VI or VIM. VIM only opens, because the latest version of the VI is VIM. Okay. So now file name is not given, name is not there. For this file, name is not given. This file is open anonymously, right? Now I want to type some content. You cannot type. You cannot type. You see, I'm typing F, G, Y, R. What happened? Nothing is happened. Nothing has happened, right? You are in the default mode. You are in the command mode, right? The default mode is command mode. In the command mode, you cannot type anything. Every key hit is considered as a command. But whatever I type F, that is not a command. Such command is not there. G, such command is not there. That's why no action. Okay. This is the escape mode, default mode, command mode of the VA editor. But I want to type something. I have to enter into the edit mode, right? There are various edit modes. I is for insert mode, A is for append mode, O is for open mode. A is for append mode, I is for insert mode, okay, O is for open mode. Now you see, I am typing A. See, it is entered into the insert mode or not? Of course, whether it is append or open or insert, it will show you insert mode. That is nothing but edit mode. You are allowed to edit. Now you type. You are able to type, right? Flexibly. You are able to type. Understand? Escape. Back to escape mode, default mode, command mode. Now I want to go to the third line. Cursor is at the ending or not? I want to go to the third line. Of course, up arrow, down arrow, left arrow works nowadays in Linux. But originally, that doesn't work. In Linux, that facility is given, but in Unix like SCO Unix, AT&T Unix, at that time, this arrow keys doesn't function in the VA editor. In VAM, it's allowed. H, left movement. Cursor is moving left. H, because you are in escape mode. In the escape mode is the command mode. Every key hit is taken as a command. H is for left movement, one letter left. L is for one letter right. K is for up. J is for down. Got it? Of course, nowadays arrows works. You need not to worry, but still remember which side H is left side, right? So left move. L is for right side, right move. K is for up, J is for down. K is for up, J is for down. These are the key hits. Okay. Okay. Now I want to go up. K, third line. I want to locate somewhere. I want to locate somewhere, right? Understand? Arrows also you can use, not a problem. Arrows also you can use. Now, at this location, I want to insert something. Hello, welcome, I want to type at that location. Where I want to insert? Before the H or after the H? Current character is H. Current character is H. At the current place I want to insert. That means before H, right? Understand or not? Append in the sense after H. After H. If you go to append mode, if you switch to append mode, here cursor will move one step right after H. No, this place only insert mode. I am going to I, insert mode. Is the cursor moved? No. Escape. When you switch from the insert mode to escape mode, always cursor will move a step back. That is the nature. So you have to take care of it. Now H is highlighted. Append mode A. Is it moving one step right or not? Escape, it will be back one step or not. So at that location, I want to insert, go to the insert mode. Hello, welcome. Escape. Got it? See here D is there. After D, I want to insert. Already I switched to escape mode. I switched to escape mode. Now I located at the D. Okay. Here after the D, I want to type something. Append mode. Okay. escape. Got it? So now what is the difference between insert mode and append mode? You understand? Suppose my cursor is at the ending here. I want to continue typing. Which mode I have to go to? Append mode. If I go for insert mode, D will be moved, right? D will be throw. It will throw the character D, the new letters will be inserted over there. If you go for append, one step it will be right, then you can continue typing. Got it? Suppose in the middle, before this line, I want to type one more line. This is the current line, right? Current line is fourth line. Fourth line is the current line. Before the line, I want to put a new line. I want to type something. What can I do? Open mode. See, small o after the line. After the line, it create a blank line. And you are already insert mode, you can type it. Got it? Small o. Capital O above the current line. Now I am in the fourth line. Capital O above the current line, it will create an empty line. Already in the insert mode, you can type it. These are the append modes. A for append mode, I for insert mode, O for open mode. Suppose that line I don't want. DD, delete the line. Okay. Suppose my cursor is at the middle. Decap, delete from the current position to beginning of the line, it will delete. U for undo. Okay. Suppose here I have from the current location D dollar until end of the file, it will delete. DW, delete the word by word. Okay. X, delete the letter. Okay. Not visualized, right? It's not that convenient. The name is visual editor, but not that convenient, right? For every action, you have to switch the mode. Carefully, you have to type. Okay. So, VA editor commands are there. Those commands you have to follow. Anyhow, next I will show you this VA editor. Now, what is shell scripting? You understand? So programmatically to speak, greater than symbol, less than symbol, equal to symbol, those things doesn't work here. Of course, some style we can do it. I will show you all the styles. Hyphen GT greater than, hyphen LT less than, hyphen EQ equal to, hyphen NE not equal to, hyphen GE greater than or equal to, hyphen LE less than or equal to. These kind of condition checking operators you have to use. Got it? Yeah. So that is a scripting part. So next we have to see VA editor first of all. Then we have to see environment variables. Environment variables. Then we go for shell script. Okay. The find filter. Find filter is for searching for the file. grep is for searching in the content. There is a difference between find and grep. Find command is for file search. Within the file system, you are searching for some files based on your patterns and your requirement. Searching for the file is the find command. Okay. I have a file. I have some content. I have some text. In that, I want to search for something. Search for some pattern. Okay. That is grep, egrep, fgrep, these kind of things. Got it? Don't confuse. So what I will do, couple of things I will try, couple of commands I will try to cover as part of your shell script, because shell script contains what? Commands only, Linux commands only. We'll take some realistic requirement and couple of commands we'll discuss as part of the program. Anyhow, the time will be saved and the command is discussed, and as well script also we will be able to understand. Right? Next weekend we'll continue these things. Okay, remaining commands and shell script, these all things will continue. Okay. Okay, guys, and for the material I will share to Subbu sir. Okay. So according to your batches, I think how they do share other material to you, same approach, they might share it. Okay. If you are not able to get it next week, you ask me, then I will find myself a way. Meanwhile, you will get it. You will get the material. Okay. Yeah. Okay, guys. Then let us stop today. Continue next weekend. Thank you. Thank you, guys. See you on next weekend. Bye.